he missed 22 years of my life, and he's not missing that. He's not missing that opportunity.
Never give up. To always fight and always keep that hope that you'll reconnect. Keep track of them. Try to, at least, if you can.
I didn't know that my cousins were going to Clyde High School. That's where I went for 3 years. And I didn't know that they were going there, right? They knew me, but I didn't know them. And then, 2016, I was volunteering at a nursing home.
When he went to Fremont, he worked at the countryside where my mom works, and actually called her grandma, and he didn't know it was his grandma, but it was his grandma. Yeah, I have like wood blocks that he made that she bought from the thing and gave them to me for Christmas before. But like, I knew where he was at until he got to Toledo. I kept track of it the whole time, But they made a GoFundMe page because it cost a lot of money. He wanted to track me down. And my niece seen it, told my sister called me, and then we reconnected on his birthday. He brightens my day. He calls me. We talk on FaceTime 4, 5, 6 times a day. He'll call me and we'll talk for a little bit. He'll hang up and he'll say, "I'll talk to you tomorrow." And like 5 minutes later, he's calling me again. It's just, he's so awesome. I just love him with all my heart.
I just want to say how much they mean to me. It couldn't have been a better time to meet them when I did. It was on April 13th, 2021, on my 25th birthday. It couldn't have been a better time because I felt like I didn't have a family anymore to lean on. And well, even though I have my fiance Jenna, they all mean everything. But finding my biological family where I can